Hi there, this is Pizza the Rashid. This video is about do while loop in C Sharp. Before you start, I want you to open up this URL. Whatever code examples I use in this video are written step by step here. Code examples have a link to quickly test it. And see the results in an online editor without writing a single word. I will also leave all the links at the end and in the description of this video. Let's get started. Actually, do while loop is a variant of while loop, except for one main difference. It will always execute the loop body at least once in the beginning, irrespective of the condition being true or false. The condition is evaluated at the end of the first execution of the block, when the while statement is reached. The structure of a loop is this. This is important, please pay attention. Do while loop starts with the do keyword and the loop body. At the bottom of the code block is a while keyword, followed by a single expression within parentheses. Notice the loop ends with a semicolon. This type of loop is also called post-test loop. When the loop begins, the body always executes at least once, even if the condition fails the first time. This condition is checked after each new iteration of the loop, which must be true in order for the next iteration to be performed. Iterations end when the condition is false. If the loop's condition is constantly true, the loop never ends, meaning endless loop. I am using this online editor for the demo. Let me code a do while loop, then I explain it to you. I have declared and initialized a counter variable with the int type and assigned an initial value of 0 to it. First time in the beginning, the loop body executes at least once, irrespective of the condition being true or false. Then this boolean expression that returns true or false is evaluated at the bottom of the code block. This condition, counter less than 4, will repeatedly execute until the value of a counter variable is less than 4. And this expression for updating the counter adds 1 at the end of each repetition, increasing the counter variable by 1. If you notice, this loop doesn't do anything except updating the counter variable. Let's add another statement to print out the value of a counter variable. Click Run. Remember, if you have more than one statement within the loop body, you must enclose the statements in the curly brackets. Now this loop writes out all the integers from 1 to 4. This is the output. What if I want to exit the loop when a certain condition meets? For that, you need a break statement, which is also called jump statement. Break keyword causes the loop to exit before it has completed the execution. The code in the loop's body is skipped, and the control is passed to the first statement immediately after the loop. Let me make the changes and then I explain it to you. Click Run. When the counter variable reaches 3, this condition evaluates to true because 3 is equal to 3. This break keyword then causes the loop to end prematurely and resumes execution immediately following the loop from here. You can see the result here. Number 3 and 4 is skipped due to this break statement. Let's check another jump statement, which is continue keyword. When you use continue, the rest of the current iteration is skipped and immediately initiates the execution of the next cycle. In other words, passes control straight back to the top of the loop to start over again. Let's change break with the continue statement. Click run. When a counter variable reaches 3, this condition evaluates to true. Then the continue statement causes the loop to skip rest of the current iteration and initiates the execution of the next cycle. You can see value 3 is missing here.